So I'm a follower of Rumi, and there's a very famous quote of Rumi that says, "As you start to walk on the way appears." And here is one girl who is a fellow poetry lover and a follower of good quotes, inspirational quotes, and life hacks, and has been doing very well in the Hindi film industry these days. Kriti Sanon, how are you?
Hi, Atika. That's one of my favorite quotes as well.
Totally. And I think it kind of personifies, you personify this quote, because as you started to walk on the way appeared, because it's not even 10 years in the industry, Kriti, and you work with Shahrukh, you work with Akshay, you work with so many big names with good production houses and good scripts, good movies, and Mimi में तो आपने कमाल ही कर दिया.
Thank you so much.
Tell me, what is the feedback that you're getting about Mimi? And I must tell you, I'm mighty impressed. I had not expected such a mature performance from you. You totally surprised us. What a pleasant surprise it was. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Atika. Uh, the feedback that I'm getting is very, very overwhelming. Like you yourself have said right now, I think each and every feedback kind of makes me blush a little bit more. मुझे बहुत लोगों से कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एक जो चीज मुझे जो पहले कभी नहीं हुई है, दो चीजें इनफैक्ट. एक ऐसी चीज है कि कई लोग मुझे फोन करके बोल रहे हैं, थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग दिस फिल्म एंड थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग दिस फिल्म. आई थिंक वो मुझे आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला है, बिकॉज it just kind of feels कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि you know Mimi has struck a chord with this deeper than you know normally movies do. कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें ये मूवी जो है वो अपनी लगी, या you know it gave them hope, it made them smile, it made them go through these roller coaster of emotions in the time. And I think you know हम सबने फैमिली के साथ बैठकर मूवी देखने वाला जो सिस्टम है वो धीरे धीरे कम हो गया है. थिएटर्स में जाते थे तो वो एक इवेंट होता था कि साथ में जा रहे हैं देखने के लिए. घर में सब अपने रूम में देख लेते हैं कुछ तो और इतना सारा कंटेंट ऐसा है जो हम नहीं देख पाते हैं कई बार, you know, with parents, with our children, with you know all generations. So this is one feedback, and the other that I am loving is everyone who's calling me, messaging me is either forwarding their father and mother's messages or is calling me and saying, "Arey, one second, my mom wants to talk to you." So also this is something that has not happened. I think the kind of love that is pouring in is very, very overwhelming. Obviously getting your due as an actor is something that we all crave for, and you know when that happens, and it happens for a film that you have really put in a lot of effort and you know that has been so close to your heart, it's just even more gratifying, I feel.
But tell me, Kriti, आपके साथ बहुत वक्त तक, एक लंबे वक्त तक urban looking girl का टैग लगा हुआ था. You do look urban, और जिन्होंने आपको हिंदी में बोलते हुए नहीं सुना था, but
sorry.
और जिन्होंने आपको हिंदी में बोलते हुए नहीं सुना होगा, probably, you definitely come across like an engineer from an engineering institute and very, very urban, a girl from an urban background. But Mimi, and especially many other movies, जैसे कि बरेली की बर्फी, I have to give it to the producers, the writers who could even visualize you as somebody like that from a small town, not even Jaipur, but Jaipur से भी छोटा town in Mimi. Do you think वो stereotype या एक वो perception था जिससे आपको लड़ना पड़ा?
Not in Mimi. I think क्योंकि मैं बरेली की बर्फी के time पर it was a bit surprising for many people. क्योंकि और मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है क्योंकि मैंने उससे पहले सिर्फ 3 फिल्में की थी और 2 फिल्में रिलीज हुई थी जब मैंने बरेली की बर्फी साइन की. तो 2 फिल्मों में लोगों ने ऑलरेडी ये एक बना लिया था कि वो अर्बन ग्लैमरस रोल करती है. सो हम बहुत जल्दी जजमेंट पास कर देते हैं. And yes, I have to give it to Nitesh sir, Ashwini, Juno, you know, BR Films, कि उन्होंने मुझ में बिट्टी को देखा और उन्होंने मेरे टैलेंट में ज्यादा विश्वास किया, मेरी बाहरी जो अपीयरेंस है वो ना देखते हुए. You know, मैं लाइफ में कैसी हूँ, हम रेड कार्पेट पे ऑब्वियसली गाउन पहन के जाते हैं, you look different, okay, but how you are as an actor is what matters at the end of it. मुझे लगता है कि hair makeup costume जो है वो आपको कुछ भी बना सकता है, कैसा भी दिखा सकता है, and I think that is not an actor's job. So for me it is my job to make you believe कि मैं वो किरदार हूँ, and that comes from my potential, from my skills. So yes, I would thank every person who believed in me, who thought कि मैं इतनी अच्छी एक्टर हूँ कि मैं वो कैरेक्टर पुल ऑफ कर सकती हूँ. एंड अब बरेली की बर्फी के बाद एक्चुअली सरप्राइजिंगली मुझे बहुत सारे स्मॉल टाउन रोल्स आए थे, मुझे अर्बन रोल्स आ ही नहीं रहे थे. अभी ऐसा टाइम हो गया था कि आई वांटेड एन अर्बन रोल एंड आई वाज लाइक नॉट गेटिंग इट. सो yeah, Mimi, I think because Bareilly had already happened, I'm sure that was never a concern कि मैं छोटे शहर की लग पाऊंगी या नहीं. उसका डायलेक्ट, उसका लहजा, वो एक अलग चीज थी. और what was a bigger concern was the fact कि I am not a mother, and to kind of relate to that feeling of becoming a mother, and also of this girl who's not prepared. वो माँ बनने के लिए रेडी नहीं है, उसको बनना भी नहीं है, उसके बहुत अलग सपने हैं. पर वो लड़की जो रेडी नहीं है, जब माँ बन जाती है तो वो क्या होता है उसके साथ. तो आई थिंक वो जो सेकेंड हाफ था मिमी का was a lot more challenging. और वो मतलब दीनू ने मुझे एक आधी बार बोला था कि I don't know if you're going to be able to pull this off. अभी ये तो कर पाएगी या नहीं, ये तेरे को थोड़ा सा you'll have to be at it. ये मुश्किल है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि तू कर सकती है. He has this way of doing reverse psychology with me.
Okay.
तो शायद नहीं कर सकती है, और उसको पता है कि जैसे ही मैं ये सुनूंगी I'll be like मैं दिखाती हूँ.
I'm a girl. Yeah. By the way, wish you a very happy birthday. 27 July, I guess, was your birthday, and you are a perfect Leo girl.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Kriti, tell me 3 scenes from your movie career जिसकी back story हम सबको पता होनी चाहिए. मतलब these 3 scenes are so different from what they sound, और उनके पीछे क्या-क्या हुआ था ये सिर्फ आप ही जानती हैं.
3 scenes from different films.
Yeah, in your career. That were totally, they shook you up.
मैं actually 3 scenes मिमी से ही निकाल सकती हूँ, इतने सारे scenes थे उसमें. I think एक तो वो सीन है जब मैं अपने फेस पर पाउडर लगा रही हूँ and then I break down. तो I think एक वो हमेशा मुझे सीन जो है वो हमेशा याद रहेगा, because I tried something different as an actor in my process, and something different happened. मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि मैं switch off switch on टाइप की हूँ. मैं अपने इमोशनल मेमोरी में जाकर कुछ ऐसा लाकर नहीं रो सकती हूँ सीन पर. आई नीड टू फील एज द कैरेक्टर कि कैरेक्टर को क्या फील हो रहा है उस टाइम पर, एंड देन आई परफॉर्म. जब भी मैं सोचती हूँ कि अरे मेरी लड़ाई हुई है अगर वैनिटी वैन में, और अब मैं वो लड़ाई सोच कर रोना चाहूंगी, तो वो मुझसे नहीं होता है. मेरा हमेशा वो स्विच ऑफ स्विच ऑन बटन है, वेयर अगर मैं रो रही हूँ सीन में और कट बोलोगे आप, तो मैं हंसना भी शुरू कर सकती हूँ. तो और मैंने इतनी बार ऐसा सुना है कि that actor was crying in a scene, and then after cut she broke down and she couldn't stop crying, and I used to feel कि ऐसा कैसे होता है. It doesn't happen with me. Maybe I'm not made like that. In this particular scene, I was trying to psych myself before the scene, and I was trying to think certain things and portions of my life which have been difficult and which have hurt me, and मुझे फील हो रहा था. एंड जैसे ही मुझे बोला ओके सेट पे आओ, तो वो जो वॉक थी वैनिटी से सेट तक, सडनली आई वाज लाइक माय गॉड, मुझे कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा. सो आई डोंट नो, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओके चक इट, आई एम गोना think like Mimi and I will perform like how I do. And I played my music and I started performing, and when I screamed, I think in that scream something that I was feeling before came up on the surface. Or I started howling, और मैं जोर से रोना शुरू हो गई, और लक्ष्मण सर ने कट बोला और मैं फिर भी रो रही थी बहुत जोर से. एंड लक्ष्मण सर just came, Mimi आप ठीक हो, and he saw me howling and he turned and he went away because he was like क्या हो रहा है. So I think that was very liberating for me as an actor, because I just realized that my God, this can happen with me. I can also this. So I like the fact that I don't need to limit my process.
Wonderful.
वो जो बच्चा है उसके साथ तो खैर सारे ही सीन्स की बैक स्टोरी अलग ही है, बिकॉज वो ऑब्वियसली जेकब है उसका नाम, उसको हिंदी नहीं आती है। वो 3.5 साल का था, वो ऑब्वियसली हिंदी लर्न नहीं कर सकता है, उसको सिर्फ एक डायलॉग याद था जो, और वो ऐसे बोलता था कि बंटी मुझे स्कूल में चिढ़ा रहा था, सफेद भूत बोल रहा था, मैं इतना अलग क्यों हूँ मिनी। उसको ये 3 लाइनें याद थी, ओके। बट तो वो जब सीन में आता था और अगर वो अपने डायलॉग भूल गया तो वो ये बोलना शुरू हो जाता था। तो there have been so many times that in his when I'm doing a scene with him, मैं कई बार उसके डायलॉग बोल रही हूँ और वो वापस वो रिपीट कर रहा है, फिर मैं उसका डायलॉग बोल रही हूँ, वो रिपीट कर रहा है। तो वो सीन बहुत ही अलग तरीके से हुए हैं। एंड जब मेरा टेक है, जब मुझ पर कैमरा है, तो वो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, उसको पता नहीं है, तो मुझे लक्ष्मण सर क्यूज दे रहे होते थे और मैं उसको रिएक्ट कर रही होती थी। So those were very, very different. And actually, I'm sorry, but I'm going to tell you one more scene from this film only. It's not a scene, it's a montage. There's a montage where, when the Firang couple has come and they've gone, and I am in a state where I don't know what's going to happen. And my child sleeps on me. जैसे कि आपने फिल्म में देखा, वो मेरे ऊपर सोता है। तो वो सीन था कि वो मेरे ऊपर सो रहा है, and I'm just thinking, and my eyes are wet, and I'm only thinking, and I look at the toys that he's laid, वो जो toys लेके आए हैं। And Lakshman sir is so intelligent. He knows that अगर एक छोटे बच्चे को आप बोलोगे कि आप सोने की एक्टिंग करो, तो उसकी आंखें थोड़ी सी मूव करती हैं और वो दिखता है कि वो सो नहीं रहा है।
Right.
तो जेकब मेरे ऊपर था, and Lakshman sir was like, Jacob is sleeping. Okay, Jacob is feeling very sleepy now, and he's going to sleep. He's going to sleep. I don't know, his voice hypnotized him or what, or the kid was so tired, he slept on. तो वो सच में मेरे ऊपर सो गया, और उसके बाद हम सब पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस, देयर वाज नोबडी टॉकिंग, सब दबे पांव लेके जा रहे हैं, कैमरा भी धीरे धीरे निकाल के खोल रहे हैं, इशारे में बात कर रहे हैं और मुझे बोल रहे हैं रोलिंग, हाँ ओके गो, and then I'm emoting, then when they're cutting they're telling me cut. वो सारा इशारों में हमने पूरा का पूरा अलग अलग डायरेक्शन से शॉट्स लिए हैं, और उतना साइलेंस मैंने सेट पे कभी मतलब महसूस ही नहीं किया है।
But that's true, Kriti. It's a thought that whatever you speak comes true. आप जिस भी चीज को बार बार बोलेंगे वही होता है. So instead of saying what's happening, you have to speak what you would like to happen. What would
I do.
Yeah. And we are going to Rumi zone. Let's come back.
Yeah. But मुझे वो याद रहेगा कि वो मेरे ऊपर सच में सो गया था. It was such a beautiful feeling that he was sleeping here and I was performing, and I don't know how he slept. He just slept.
Okay, so tell me, Kriti, as an actor, you have to prioritize certain things in your career. Your producer, your co-actors, your director, your signing amount, the whole branding that comes with a film, how do you prioritize them? Like, which one is more important to you? So there's script also. आप इन 5-6 चीजों में सबसे ज्यादा top 5 अगर आप इनको एक order में रखें, तो सबसे ज्यादा priority है, सबसे ज्यादा importance किस चीज को मिलती है, and then following.
It's very tricky. I mean, सबसे पहले मैं बोलूंगी स्क्रिप्ट, के बाद आई थिंक डिपेंड करता है कि डायरेक्टर कौन है. कोई डायरेक्टर ऐसा डायरेक्टर है जिसका मतलब, if you talk about a Sanjay Leela Bhansali, it doesn't really matter who the producer is. I'm sure that the money is good. But I feel a script, a director, a producer. Producer could also come on top, because if a film is made well but not produced well, it will not do well. So these are very tricky question है ये बहुत ज़्यादा. And then the pay.
Okay. Tell me, you came from Delhi, you came in this industry, or basically आपने कई जगह बोला है that you did come from a middle class background. Many of your relatives didn't know anything about the industry. Now that you've crossed over and come here, tell me, what are the stereotypes about our film industry which now have been broken in the eyes of your relatives?
I think मैं जब आई थी तो ये I mean, I don't know if they've been broken or not broken, but बहुत अरे बहुत बहुत easy होता है. अरे ये तो मजे वाला काम है, you know. एक वो होता है कि इसमें तो अरे what, you know, सब आसपास तुम्हारे घूम रहे होते हैं लोग, and you know, you just perform and you're going to new places and you're, you know, having fun and you're getting paid for it. But I think the hard work that goes behind is not something that is visible to you know, normal जनता. So I think वो I'm sure क्योंकि मैं बात करती रहती हूँ तो वो उनको realize होता है कि कितना hard work उसमें गया है. Another myth, I think the fact that at least जब मैं आई थी industry में या मैं आ रही थी तो मुझे you know, the image of the industry was like very negative in their minds. You know, it's not a good industry. People used to talk about casting couch and people used to talk about other things, you know, which were not like, that's how they looked at the industry. But I think when I came in, the realization that there are good and bad people in all fields, and that's true. There will be good people, there will be bad people in every field. There will be people who will believe in you, there will be people who will discard you, there will be people who will manipulate you, and there will be people who will help you. तो ये हर field में होता है. तो वो एक realization, you know, when I talk about my friends in the industry, they also realize कि सब एक जैसे नहीं होते लोग, और ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसी industry है, ये बहुत अच्छी industry है, और the fact that this industry employs so many people, there is food on so many plates because of our industry, and I'm proud of that.
Absolutely.
And I think another myth that I would say, I can't think of it. I was just thinking something and I forgot. The fact that अगर आप film background से नहीं हो, then you can't make it very big. You need to have contacts and you need to have filmy family to make it big in the industry. I think ये मुझे बोला गया था, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बोला गया था जब मैं आ रही थी कि you know, जानती नहीं है किसी को, कितने सारे लोग हैं जो ऐसे बड़े-बड़े dreams लेकर आते हैं बॉम्बे में, but it doesn't happen for everyone. How are you going to do it? It's too big a dream. Yeah. So I think it's never too big a dream. It is totally dependent on you, and I'm sure that myth has been broken at least now.
Yes, it has. And tell me, Akriti, you have never been starstruck. I've been noticing you for the past many years, even while you were sitting in an award function or anywhere in a gathering where many people would be seen. You were never starstruck. You held your ground. You actually cross as a person very, very, you know, who has a degree. I mean, who's very sure-footed, who's very sure about the future, and बहुत ज़्यादा ना बहुत ज़्यादा हंसना, ना बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, there comes a shift in your body language when you're around big stars in a room, and that never happened with you. I noticed that. Now tell me, despite being a person who's not starstruck, despite being a person who's not very outgoing, who's not very eager to please, you've done very well in your career. What is the reason? What's the secret? How did you do it? Tell me about the coterie or the kind of team that you had, manager, the publicist, the image that one has to build in order for one to break into the industry.
I don't know, yaar. This image, I don't really understand. Honestly speaking, I think you need to be real, and that's what's worked for me. I think not falling in the trap of trying to become someone else. That is what I have always followed, and that's what's worked for me. I think खुद में एक belief होना, you know, कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. I'm a very ambitious person. I want to be right on the top. I want to be up there. I want to do, you know, better and better work, and I want to achieve more. I'm never satisfied with where I am, and I think मुझे हमेशा से पता था कि I can do it. Like I had the belief in me, no matter what, who will come and tell me कि, you know, ये मत करो, or this is not right for you, or when I was doing Mimi, you know, why are you playing a mother so early in your career? You're so young, you should not play a mother. There's so many things that people say, you know, and people think कि उनको पता है कि what is the right formula of making a good film and of making a star. But the truth is that there is no formula.
There is
Had
no
there formula, everybody would have been making great films and every film would have been working, but वो नहीं होता है. So I think listening to my gut is what has worked for me. I always, आज मैंने एक जो poem डाली है कि दिल और दिमाग के बीच दिल की सुन, क्योंकि दिमाग जो है ना वो तुझे बचा के रखेगा लेकिन दिल तेरी उड़ान भरेगा. So I genuinely feel that. I feel like gut feeling के against में जब भी गई हूँ, it has not worked for me. So listening to my gut is something that I've always done. Believing in myself is something that I've always done, and to stay grounded, to stay real, to stay true to my core, and that's not changing. But I will be constantly evolving and growing, because I think for me it is very important to grow and to become better. I am not from a film family. I have not done any theater, any acting workshops before. So for me, this has been my workshop. Every film that I'm doing is my workshop. So I want to learn something and grow. I want to not be stagnant.
Yeah. And you have some really nice projects lined up, Kriti. You have Bhedia, again with the same production house, Maddock. That made Stree, that made Ruhi, in the same genre, directed by Amar Kaushik. Then you have Adi Purush, with, of course, our own Bahubali, Prabha.
Yeah.
And a couple of other films. Tell me, how does future look like to you, and how are you preparing for these films?
The future looks very exciting. It looks everything that I wanted it to be. And I am just blessed that I have all these projects lined up, and I have signed, I think, maximum projects in the lockdown, which is very strange, you know. I have finished 3 films in the pandemic, which I only thank God for. I don't think I can complain. I think आगे जो मेरी फिल्में हैं जो मुझे बहुत exciting लगता है कि वो सारी ही बहुत अलग हैं, बहुत genres अलग हैं, characters अलग हैं. मैं एक जैसी नहीं दिखूंगी किसी फिल्म में, और जो किरदार होंगे वो भी एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग होंगे. I think as an actor आप और कुछ नहीं मान सकते हो, you know.
Yeah.
And to be doing so many different projects back to back, which are not from the same zone. So whether it is Hum Do Hamare Do, which is with Maddock, which is again a family warm entertaining film, about adopting parents, or there is Bhedia, which is, you know, my first horror comedy. The way I film is nothing like I have ever looked, and I think when you'll see that look, you'll give a double take, is what I feel. ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है, like that. So that I'm very excited about. There is Adi Purush is, of course, I don't think too many people can claim to have played that character. It comes with so much weight, respect, dignity, and I'm just so like honored to be playing a character like that. And there's Ganpat that will see me, you know, doing action for the first time, and of course be back with Tiger after 7 years. And am I forgetting a film? There's Bachchan Pandey, which is
Kriti, it's like a Rajasthani thali, too much on that plate. How are you going to manage with such a frail?
Yeah, there is Bachchan Pandey, of course, which is with Akshay sir, and which I'm playing a director, and it's a यहाँ मुझे heroine बनना था, वहाँ मैं director बन गई हूँ, so कुछ ना तो है ही.
Or lastly, tell me, I heard your mother say in one of the interviews कि मैंने तो ये सोचा था कि 23 साल में इसकी शादी हो जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके बाद सब कुछ बायोलॉजिकली लेट हो जाता है. अब क्या होगा, अब तो इतनी ऑलरेडी काम ले लिया सर पे आपने.
सब मैनेज हो जाता है, सबका कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकल आता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यहाँ पे हम दिखाई रहे हैं बायोलॉजिकली अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, वो तो हम फिल्मों में दिखाई रहे हैं. So I don't want to go by the rules of इतने में शादी, इतने में बच्चा. It's never been my thing at all. So जितना मुझे कोई बोलता है उतना मैं उससे दूर भागती हूँ. So I think my mother also at this point is very, very happy with all the love that's pouring in and everything that she is seeing me, because I'm living my dream, and I don't think anything more.
Yeah, and tell me, how does your romantic life look like?
It's empty right now. It's honestly empty right now, and I think that's why probably God has given me so much work that I don't feel lonely about it. Yeah. So, yeah. that's probably the reason maybe God's giving me so much work that मैं डूब जाऊँ और मुझे ये feel ना हो, मुझे ज़रूरत महसूस ना हो. But yes, I would love to be in a relationship. I'm a romantic at heart, and I mean, I'm someone who really believes in love. So
everybody believes in love. Love is that emotion worth believing in. Thank you so much, Kriti. And yes, 15th August is around the corner. Everybody has their own definition of their love for country, their love for humanity. What is your idea of a love for country?
I think for me, it is about being a responsible citizen. It is about, trying to keep my country clean, trying to, help people who are in need here. Whether, it's the COVID times when I felt our country actually came together. Like, the second wave when people needed, help, when someone wanted to find a bed, someone wanted to find medicines, and everyone was just coming together. And it didn't matter which city or which place, part of the country you belong to. Yeah. And I think just being a responsible citizen, before pointing out fingers ki ye acha nahi hai, wo acha nahi hai, do your job, play your part, whether it is cleaning your country like it's your home. You don't throw things in your house, so you shouldn't throw things outside, following the traffic routes, as basic as that. And to just celebrate every emotion attached to being an Indian.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kriti. All my good wishes for you. I think you're a very, very, very bright girl, and so you have to.
Thank you, Atika. Thank you.